If you face Instagram live option not showing and Instagram live option completely disappeared from your Instagram app, let's see the solution. Solution 1. Open your Instagram app. Go to your Instagram profile. Tap on 3 line from the top right corner. Scroll down and find out help. Click on help. Now tap on report a problem. Click on report problem. Tap on include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram app. So write down, hi Instagram support team, Instagram live option not showing in my Instagram app, so please fix this issue as soon as possible. Then send your report to the Instagram support team. After sending your report, please wait few minutes and then open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Instagram app. From here, update your Instagram app if it's available. So follow these 2 steps and fix Instagram live option not showing problem.